Here we have Kubota's B2401. This is the newest member of their B series family. It is a direct sibling to the B2301 and 2601. What makes this one unique is the fact that it's not hydrostatic. This is actually a gear shift tractor. Most of our BXs and B series forever have been 3-speed hydrostatics. This tractor itself still has a low, a medium, and a high range, but on the right side of the operator's platform, we actually have 1 through 3 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. Gear shift tractors are very popular for applications where you're doing a task at a continuous speed, such as field mowing or grading roads. To show you guys the abilities of this tractor, we've got a grading project here on a slope where we're going to use this tractor's low range and its 1 through 3 gear set to give us a very nice continuous speed with a box blade, and in turn that is going to give us a very smooth final surface. Where if we were using a hydrostatic tractor, we would have to control our speed with the foot pedal, and if there was bumps or uneven surfaces as your foot bounces on the pedal, it would in turn have your rear implement popping also. So by the end of this, we'll see some of the features and benefits that this B2401 offers. The reason we're using a box blade for this miniature project is because of its superior ability to take material from point A to point B efficiently. So the rain has washed all of our hard pack down here to the flat ground. Instead of getting new material brought in, we're accumulating the material here at the bottom and bringing it back up the slope. Some of the features and benefits that this Land Pride box blade has for us is not only does it have a front-facing blade on it, but it also has a rear-facing blade. So we can pull material up, get to the top, and then when we come back down the slope, if there's a high spot or we want to move material here or there, we can use that rear blade to push back. If this driveway had a lot of compaction, so it was very hard to work in, we've got our scarifiers on the front here that we could drop down and open up the ground like a ripper tooth. Again, where this is going to be category 1 on the bottom, it matches well with the 3-point hitch. But what is very nice is the fact that this has pins that go through 2 flanges. So we're not trying to slide our 3-point hitch arm onto a single peg. We're able to slide our pin through once our hitch is lined up. So we're going to continue getting some of this material brought back up, and then do a couple finished passes with this blade, and we'll be done for today. So there's a great example of what a box blade can do for you. Certainly, like all implements, they're very good at one particular thing and they can kind of do everything. So like I mentioned earlier, a box blade is fantastic when you've got a lot of material and you need to bring it from this spot up that spot, or if you had a field with holes and you want to take material from the top and fill the hole, box blades are great. If you're looking for the next item to do a job like this, but a little bit nicer, not have so many ridges, pull the stones off to the side, that's when we might start talking about landscape rakes. Certainly Land Pride has the products, and we can help you discuss what your needs are, your projects, and try to steer you in the right direction. For more videos like this, visit our Facebook page or our website, TOWNLINE Equipment. Thank you, and have a good day.